So before everything else, I just want to introduce myself. My name is Normalyn Hauk. I'm one of the Sapphire Elite executive of the company and currently residing in Long Beach, California. So let me just share my screen. Where's that? There you go. I'm just going to share my screen and then start the presentation. Can you see my screen now?
Yes, Ments.
Thank you. Yes.
Okay, so I think I'm ready. Okay, so this is the company, I Am Worldwide. And how did I know I Am Worldwide? Okay, I'm an online live seller of clothes from Bangkok. And I was thinking I want to sell more products aside from clothes. So I bump into Mentor Edward on Facebook, and he's advertising barley. So I just got curious because I see a lot of posts about barley, and then I message him and ask him, how am I gonna be a member? How am I gonna be a distributor? So, but before that, he told me his story, how why he's using the barley. So yeah, this is Mentor Ed, and as you can see, he looks like he's kind of chubby, but actually he's not really chubby. He has body swelling because he has diabetes, and this was his um, previous glucose reading before he started taking the barley. So just imagine how high it is. It was like he's a walking time bomb. And also he developed hypertension and high cholesterol because of the diabetes. And then he's taking a lot of medication which causes the body swelling. And then he developed also severe constipation, like he's only going to the bathroom to do discharge only once a week. Just imagine what's happening to all the food that he's eating. Where is it going? So it's kind of alarming, right? And then he also developed retinopathy, which is he has bleeding on the veins. I think it's behind the retina. And then he has to undergo surgery, otherwise his right eye is going to go blind. So that's how severe his diabetes was. But then he found out about barley through someone he just bumped into a restaurant. He doesn't even know the person. He just heard that the person is telling the story about how good the barley is and how the barley helped her brother. So that's how he started taking the barley. And because of continuously taking the barley for months and months, like 8 months consistently, the high sugar glucose came down to this. So it's kind of big change from the 400 to 500 to 120, 128 to even lower than 100. For someone who has diabetes, this is kind of normal already. And also the body swelling's gone. So he got back to his normal body build, and then the constipation's gone. And then he also developed neuropathy before. Like there's a pinching nerve that um he could hardly walk sometimes, especially when he has neuropathy attack. But because of the barley, only 1 week of taking barley, the neuropathy is gone and the constipation is gone. So he's already going to the bathroom every day. So it's a big change for him. And also this picture is very sentimental for him because his wife has rheumatoid arthritis, and sometimes it's really painful, and she could uh, even hardly pull up her underwear. But then because of consistently taking the barley also, the rheumatoid arthritis gone, and all their lab tests are okay, and they're always very good when they go to see their doctor. So they're very happy. So that's why Mentor Edward decided to do the business First, because he could avail the discounted price since both of them are using the barley. And second, because of the opportunity that the company is giving when you do the business with IM Worldwide. I'm gonna go through it as we go on. So these are the transactions that he's been doing since he started doing the business with IM Worldwide. So our company has the advocacy of giving hope to people, which is H stands for health, O stands for opportunity, P stands for prosperity, and E is for everyone, which is really what I love with the company because they don't give discrimination. Even if you're young, you're old, you're poor, or you have plenty of money, or you didn't finish your schooling, you're welcome here as long as you're willing to do the business. So here there are two things that people join the business with IM Worldwide. First, because we want to prioritize our health, and the barley is really helping people in terms of our health. And then second is we can get stable source of income when we really do the business with the company. So as Bill Gates said, if your business is not on the internet, then your business will be out of business, which is very true from someone who is really one of the richest people in the world. And just imagine Amazon, just imagine Alibaba, just imagine all those new online businesses right now, like Shane, like in the Philippines, the Shopee and the Lazada. They're all booming because it's very trending now that the business is gonna be on the internet because the technology is really, really advanced right now. So that's why a lot of business establishments they're closing because the online business is taking charge with all of the businesses. So, and here there are two types of business. One is the traditional and the other one is non-traditional. Okay, I'm a traditional businesswoman. I have an online live selling, like what I said. I have to have big capital. I use like, I think I invested like $4,000. I know 4,000. No, $8,000 to put up my small online business here in the corner of my apartment. And of course, I have to pay the rent, I have to pay electricity, water, and then labor once in a while. When I ask my son to do some work for me, I pay him, and then some miscellaneous like office supplies and all that. But in a traditional business like multi-level marketing, you don't really need all of this. So what if your business, the company is doing the marketing for you? Me, with my traditional business, I have to do everything. The marketing, I have to find the people who's gonna buy from me. So I have to go online and search. But then the IM Worldwide is doing the marketing for us, providing us with all these ambassadors that endorses our products. These are all famous Filipino celebrities, and not just Filipino celebrities, but also Korean celebrity, Korean famous celebrity, Park Seo-joon. And yeah, the company is really very generous to provide all these ambassadors. So this is Small Laude, the one on the left, and she's a famous business tycoon in the Philippines and famous blogger as well. And she's also doing the business. They're all using the product. Marian Rivera and Mariel Padilla are two famous celebrity and actresses in the Philippines, and they're also using the products as well.
I
So
Am
let's
Amazing
watch
Barley
this.
helps me take on the day with confidence. Made only from fresh and organic barley from Australia, packed with vitamins and minerals. So guys, experience how it feels like to be amazing. I Am Amazing Barley. Get na!
Yeah, that's Small Laude. Okay, and also Maria Leonor Robredo is the 14th Vice President of the Philippines, and she's also doing the business with IM Worldwide. Just imagine former Vice President doing also the business and using also the product. So Maria Erlinda Padilla is one of famous actresses, but she's also an online live seller of branded bags. And then she also decided to do the business with IM Worldwide. And they are also using the product, especially her husband. Her husband was saying that our barley is like magic because of how the barley helped her husband. And then here. So she's really doing the business with IM Worldwide, selling a lot of barley online. And she's based in the Philippines, so it's really amazing how she's doing the business. She also sells it at TikTok and some other online platforms. And then because she's very serious in doing the business, she became the top 1 direct sellers of IM Worldwide in October last year. And she also became a Sapphire Elite executive like me. So like what I'm saying here, there's no discrimination. Even if she's an actress and I'm only just not really that famous like her, but we have the same rank in the company. We're both Sapphire Elite executive. And also this one, she's a mentor. Oh my God, I forgot her name. But just imagine, she sold 21,800 boxes of barley online, and she's selling it for $1,000, 1,000 pesos. So that means she made like 21,800,000 just by selling the product. So the total gross commission that you see on the right hand side, it's by building, it's through commission. So she got 21 million by selling the product plus 14 million by selling the packages for people who wants to be a member and do the business as well. So that's how they make money. That's how good the business is. You are really gonna make a lot if you're really gonna be serious in doing the business. So the founders, Alan Marvin Eder, the president, and Aika Lorraine Uy, the vice president, they have more than 20 years of combined experience in multi-level marketing. So they already know the ins and outs, everything that they need to do, and everything that they don't have to do in order for the business to do good. And then they put up a really good system here in IN Worldwide, and also their first priority is the health of the people who's gonna wanna buy the product or be a member. The compensation plan is only to follow. And then the company started in 2017, but since then, the company has received a lot of awards, like the fastest growing business opportunity company, rising star company, best new company, and best trusted health and beauty supplement award. And then we are also awarded as our product as super brand. That means our product is really of quality. That's why it's really, really good. And like what I said, company is 7 years and counting. We are gonna have our 7th-year anniversary in Philippine Arena, which is one of the biggest arena in the Philippines, and it's gonna happen in October. So legalities, we got everything. We have the Bureau of Internal Revenue. That means we're really legally paying our taxes. We have the Security and Exchange Commission. We have the certification of registration from the Bureau of Trademarks. And all our products are FDA approved. We have our main office in the Philippines in San Juan Ortigas, Metro Manila. And that's where we are doing our in-person training, and that's where they are also processing the membership. if people want to be a member or want to reorder the products, that's where they process it. Also, we have local offices in these places in case people who want to avail the product. It's going to be easy for us to ship the products to them because we already have local offices in certain areas, and we also have international offices. We have one in Dubai, Qatar, Kuwait, Italy, Japan, and here in the US in New York. So if we have people we know from all over the world who wants to try to use the product or want to become a member, it's going to be easy for us to ship for them to them the product so they can try it. So nowadays, this is our today's reality. So many people spend their health gaining wealth and then have to spend their wealth to regain their health. So this is very true. Some people are like working and working and working and not minding or not taking really taking care of their health, and then eventually they have to use their savings to get better. So when people when we are teenagers, we don't really we don't really care. Like, we have plenty of time. We just go to school, and then of course we're healthy because we're young. But of course we're dependent to our parents, so we don't have the money, not unless we are doing part-time jobs. But then on our adulthood, when we have all the responsibility, paying all the bills, the rents, and everything else, um, we're working so hard. That's why we have the money. We still have, we're still healthy, but then this is what I'm saying. We don't have time, not even take care of ourselves. So when we get old, what happen is we're gonna have plenty of time because we can't work anymore. We're weak. We're not even healthy, and the sad part is we don't have money because we spend our money to um, get better because we're sick already. So yeah, that's sad. So I'm just gonna introduce Maritoni Fernandez. She's a famous actress in the 90s in the Philippines, and she's a cancer survivor. She was diagnosed with stage 2B breast cancer in 2001. And that time, our medical technology is not that advanced yet. So she was told that she only has 5-year chance of survival. So just imagine when you're on your mid 30s, and then the doctor is going to tell you, oh, in 5 years, you might die already. And then you have a 6-year-old daughter. So what are you going to do? Of course, you're going to try to find anything just for you to get better. So she searched and searched on the internet. And then that's when she found, she actually took a lot of supplements, tried a lot of supplements before she knew barley. And then when she found out about barley, that it's really good for our health, she took it along with her chemotherapy. And then while she was doing the chemotherapy, taking the barley give a boost on her immune system and give her energy. So the 21 days supposedly recovery from the chemotherapy has been shortened. So that's why her chemotherapy session has been like the days that she's supposed to have the chemotherapy has been cut down, shorter. And then after her chemotherapy, her doctor said that she's not gonna um, have kids anymore because the chemotherapy damaged her reproductive system. Because her cancer was bilateral, both breast has the cancer. She was on Portacat, and then most of the people that were the cancer patient with her before that became her friend passed away already. And then that's sad because she's the only one who survived in their ward. And then she still continued take the barley, and after the chemotherapy she was declared free of cancer, and then she's on remission. And then during her remission, 3 years of consistently taking the barley, even the doctor said that she's not going to have a child because her reproductive system has been damaged already, but her menstrual period came back. And then she got pregnant and had a son after. So just imagine, the doctor already told you that you're not going to have a child anymore, and then all of a sudden you became pregnant, and then you got a baby boy. That's why that boy was told was told that he's a baby Barley. So right now, Maritoni Fernandez is more than 20 years cancer free with no recurrence, which is really amazing. And still she's consistently taking the barley, and that's why she brought the barley to the Philippines to introduce it to Filipino people, so Filipinos also could be helped with this barley that helped her cancer. So let's watch this video. This video is gonna show us where we are getting our barley and why our barley is really different from other barley in the market right now.
I am Maritoni Fernandez, and we are in the middle of a barley field here in Swan Hill, Australia.
Well, we think we have the best barley in the world because of our clean irrigation water. Water comes from the Murray River, which is a freshwater river. All our drinking water comes from the Murray River too. So it's full of nutrients, and also the climate is perfect for growing winter cereals. Clean, green, certified organic.
Yeah, we're certified with NASA, which is one of the Australian certifications for organic. IAM Worldwide gets its barley grass powders from Herbal, which sources them from us at Nutrigreen, so you're guaranteed the best barley grass powders in the world.
I am truly proud to say that we are now the sole distributor in the Philippines for Nutrigreen barley.
Yeah, so that's where our barley is coming from in Swan Hill, Australia. It's really, really far away from the civilization, no pollution and all that. And the water that they've been using to water the barley is coming from a freshwater river. So it's really pure organic. And these are some of the testimonies.
Meron po akong PCOS for 10 years. So before po, irregular yung menstruation ko. And then na-discover ko po itong barley. After 2 months taking barley continuously, naging regular po yung menstruation ko. Thanks to this amazing product. And after that po, itong last April 2019, na-discover po namin na clear na po yung PCOS ko and I'm now 6 months pregnant.
Nagkaroon ako ng bacterial meningitis. Imagine, sa isang napaka-critical na sakit, pero luckily, sobrang thankful ako kay God kasi sobrang laking natulong sa akin ng barley kasi prior to that, nagtitake na talaga ako ng barley.
Boost your energy and to detoxify and cleanse your body. You really have to experience it because it really works.
Yeah, those are some of the testimonies of people who have been helped with our amazing barley. We still have a lot of testimonies that we can show later. Oh, yeah, it's right here. So barley is gonna be really good for people who has hypertension, problem with goiter. And this one is gallstones and ovarian cysts, kidney failure testimony. We have the lung cancer testimony. I myself have a member here that has lung cancer, and barley is really helping her a lot. And polycystic ovary, we have a lot of testimonies about this one. And this one is like a polycystic ovaries also. She was struggling to get pregnant, and then after taking the barley consistently, she had children after 11 years of waiting. And this one, she's diagnosed with brain tumor, and now she's okay. Yeah, it's really amazing. Yeah. So how did Maritoni Fernandez found barley? On the internet, she found Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara. So Dr. Yoshihide Hagiwara is a renowned scientist, pharmacist, and chemist. And all his life, he's doing a study for medicinal plant. And on his research, he found out that the green leaves of the embryonic barley plant contains the most prolific balanced supply of nutrients that exist on Earth on a single source. Because our amazing barley has 68 micronutrients, 17 types of vitamins, 17 types of minerals, 17 types of enzymes, 17 types of amino acids. If we are gonna research on the internet, what are all these are all the foods that we're eating, but we are not gonna eat everything in one sitting. So when we take barley, we're already getting all the 68 micronutrients that our body needs to fight all the toxins and the free radicals, because it's going to give us boost on our immune system. Like what I said, our barley is FDA approved, and so is the other products of IM Worldwide. We are NASA certified, which is an Australian government, that when you say your product is pure organic, and then they go to the farm and tested it, and they found that they use even a little bit of chemicals and pesticides, their license are going to be taken away, and the farm is going to be closed. So we are guaranteed that our product is pure organic. We are also halal certified. That means even Muslims can use our product. And like what I mentioned a while ago, our products are all super brands. In terms of antioxidant, our barley grass is very, very high in antioxidant value. Like it has 25,500, which means that if you eat prunes, raisins, kale, spinach, and grapes, all of those is still not gonna be equivalent to how high the antioxidant of barley grass is, because it's really high in antioxidant. And our body really need antioxidant because our body also oxidates. And our barley is also 37 times mentioned in the Bible, which means that even people during the Old Testament are already using barley in their diet. Maybe that's why they reach like 100 years old, because they're eating really healthy food. So who can drink barley? Barley can be taken by everybody, like even newborn babies, kids, breastfeeding women, pregnant women, teenagers, adults, elderly, and even pets. So these are all based on testimonies also. And also the conditions responsive to barley are also based on testimonies given by these people who has these conditions, and barley has helped them. So, so there are 4 stages of natural healing the barley is doing in our body. The first stage is it's cleansing our body, okay? Especially our digestive system, to prepare our body of easy absorption of vitamins and minerals that barley is gonna give us. So it's like we are taking a shower, we're cleaning the outer part of the body, but when was the time that we clean the inside of our body? Maybe most of us forget how to clean the inside, forget or doesn't know how to clean the inside of our body. So when you're taking barley, you're like cleansing the inside of your body. And then the second stage is the detoxification. In this stage, our body is already eliminating the toxins and the free radicals that has been built up in our body that causes different diseases and problems. So in this stage, some people is experiencing what we call the body recovery reaction, or the healing process. It's like when you're gonna compare it to synthetic medications always has side effect, but the side effect from synthetic medication doesn't go away unless you take another medication for the side effect. But with taking barley, you're gonna have the body recovery reaction. It's not really the side effect, it's just the reaction, because your sickness or diseases is not really gonna go away. It's gonna be there unless you take something. So if you take barley, it's gonna have a reaction with your body. The barley, you're gonna have the reaction, but that reaction is gonna go away. Maybe three weeks give and take, it's gonna go away. So it's not really a side effect, but just a normal reaction. So don't don't worry that you're gonna have the reaction, or don't get scared that you're gonna have the reaction, because it's normal, because it's only showing that the barley is starting to detoxify our body. And then the third stage is the nutrients assimilation. And this stage, our body is ready to absorb all the nutrients and the minerals and the vitamins, and giving our body boost on our immune system. So some people don't know that we get sick because we have decreased immune system. And if we are gonna take barley is gonna give us but a boost in our immune system, which could help us fight all the sickness or the diseases that we could acquire from the environment or from other people. And this is what I like most, the cell regeneration. So the cell regeneration means the damaged cells are being repaired from free radicals to bring back to its normal system to prevent malfunction of the organs. That's why our barley is good with people who has cancer, especially those people who's undergoing chemotherapy, because our barley could regenerate new cells or repair damaged cells. So we have a lot of testimonies about cancer people that has been helped with our amazing barley. Now, there are 4 simple steps to earn with I Am Worldwide. The first step is for us to avail a package. So the packages I'm gonna explain in a little bit. So the second stage is we have to use the product and share. Okay, use the product. So we have to be the product of our own product. We have to have our personal testimony. So we could easily share it to people, and then we could easily share it to people that the product has helped us also. And we can share it to our friends, our family, and through social media. So we use the product, and then we share it to other people so they could be helped also with the barley. And then the third step is to learn the business. Of course, I Am Worldwide is offering you the business, because when you become a member, you automatically become a distributor. That's part of the benefit of availing a package. And then when you become a distributor, you are allowed to sell the product or sell the packages to earn commissions. And then they always say that if you want to earn fast, you have to learn the business fast. So we offer online training like this one, or online business presentation practice. So you are gonna easily learn the business. But the good thing here is you're not gonna do the business alone. We are gonna be here to guide you all the way, like teach you how to do it, answer all your questions, and assist you with your clients and all that. Of course, you also have, like what I said, we also have to learn the business, because this is gonna be your business. Because eventually, we are gonna have to help also other people, and we might not be there all the time for you. That's why we are encouraging members to learn the business as well. But like what I said, again, we are gonna be here to help you and guide you all the way. And then, of course, when you do the 1, 2, 3, you're not gonna have anywhere to go but earn. So here in I Am Worldwide, we have 13 ways to earn. And we are the only multi-level marketing in the Philippines that has 13 ways to earn. And the first way to earn is retailing. So here in the United States, the suggested retail price is $25, and the distributor's price is only $16.50. So you're gonna have a profit of $8.50. That's already a lot of income for $1. What if you sold 10 boxes. So 10 boxes is gonna be worth $250, and your distributor's price is only 165. So you're already gonna get a profit of $85. And then let's say I think this is the wholesale package commission, which is the second way. So second way where you can also earn. So gold, when you avail gold package, it's $1,060 worth, and then you're gonna get 45 boxes of barley. So when you get platinum package, which is one of our executive package, you're gonna get 112 boxes of barley for $2,600. And then our VIP executive package, which is the Jade package, you're gonna pay $4,200 for 190 boxes of barley. But because we call it the VIP executive package, the company is also gonna give you 40 boxes of barley free. So that means for $4,200, you're gonna get 230 boxes of barley for the VIP executive package. But since it's the VIP executive, and platinum and gold are not VIP executive, they don't receive anything free. So here, like what I said, we have 13 ways to earn. We have the retailing, wholesale commission. We have the sales match commission, the infinity commission, check match commission, uni-level commission, which is the uni-level is when you reorder product, or the people that's gonna be member under you gonna reorder products, you're gonna get 1% rebate per box of every reorder you're gonna get under your organization. And you're also gonna get residual sales match commission just for you bonus, give me 5 bonus, uni-level leadership commission, the project 001, and the incentive of car, house and lot, travel, and the luxury incentives. So this is the wholesale package commission. Okay, let's say you avail the gold package, and then you are gonna get a direct referral commission if you invite one person, we help you explain the business marketing plan, and then the person wants to get the gold package as well, you're gonna get $58 for every gold package. Okay, and then with platinum, you're gonna get $150, and for jade, you're gonna get $333 when the person avail jade package as well. And then you are gonna get also sales match commission. So how does the sales match commission work? Let's say you are gold package, and then you invite 2 people, and then they get the same gold package like you are gonna get extra $50. Extra because you are gonna get $58 for each, and then extra $50 when you have 2. It's the same with platinum. So let's say you were on a platinum package, and then you invited 2 people, and then they availed 2 platinum packages. So one each gonna get $150, and you were gonna get extra $133. So with jade package, let's say you avail jade package, and then we talk to 2 of your friends, and then they avail also jade packages. We help you explain, and then each you are gonna get $333 on each jade package, and you are gonna get extra $166. Okay, so infinity commission, it's gonna work starting on your 3rd direct referral. Every first 2, gold, platinum, or jade, every first 2, you were gonna get a certain amount. When for gold, it's $16, for platinum, it's $33, and for jade, it's $50. And then we have the just for you bonus. Okay, so in traditional job, we only receive bonuses on December, Christmas bonus, and we're lucky to have mid-year bonus. But in IM Worldwide, you can get bonuses a lot. a lot of times. It depends on how much effort you're gonna put on it. So just for you, bonus for gold is $667. When you have 4 people who gets four gold packages each. And then for platinum, when you have 4 platinum packages, you're gonna get 1,667. And for jade, 4 jade packages, you're gonna get $3,333. Okay, so Infinity Commission, this is how it works. So Infinity bonus, depending on your package. For jade, it's $50. For platinum, it's $33. For gold is $16. So let's say you, what happened? Huh? Okay, sorry. Okay, let's say you avail the gold package and you got your first direct of gold package and you got the second direct of gold package and you got your third direct of gold package. So from your third direct, that's when the Infinity Commission is gonna start. The first 2, let's say your third direct also have friends who availed gold packages. The first 2 packages, you are gonna get $16 each from those 2. Okay, they are not actually your direct referral anymore. And then their direct got another 2 gold packages. You're gonna get $16 each again. So it's gonna be like third level already, but you're still gonna get. So infinity means up to what level, infinite level, you are gonna get the certain amount, depends on the packages, your package and the package of the person who's gonna get. Every first 2, you are gonna get an Infinity Commission. So let's say you got the 4th direct referral, and then she also got 2 direct referrals. So you're gonna get certain amount again. If they're gold, then you're gonna get $16 because you're gold on each. So it's like continues on and on. It's gonna go on and on and on and on infinitely. Even if only one side is gonna work, you're still gonna get it. So this is one amazing commission that a member is gonna get from IM Worldwide. It's continues gonna go direct.
Pair.
Oh, sorry.
There's pairing.
Yeah. So the $50, I think it's jade. Is that pairing? No.
Yes, I think so.
Men's Ed, is that the pairing?
Yes.
The $50?
Yes, the pairing
Yeah.
from the
So-
left and right.
Oh, yes. So you're getting also the Infinity Commission since you have people working on your left side and people working on your right side. Aside from Infinity Commission, you were gonna get the sales match commission. That means it's pairing. Okay, you're not the one working anymore, but since the people under you are inviting and the people are joining their team, signing up, so they're getting the sales match commission of $50. So every time you have people on your left, people on your right, even if they're not under you, under your leaders already, or leader of your leader of your leader, you're always having sales match commission because they are pairing. So that's another amazing commission you are gonna get from IM Worldwide. So let me explain the Just For You bonus, how it works. So the gold package is $1,060. You're gonna get 45 boxes of barley. So, and it has the Just For You bonus. So the Just For You bonus works like, let's say you avail the gold package and then you invite 4 people. We helped you explain. And then these 4 people avail the gold package as well. Each, you are gonna get $58 each. So the total you are gonna get from the wholesale package commission is $232. And since they are matching, you have one on your left, one on your right, you are gonna get extra $50. But you have another 2 that match at the bottom, so you're gonna get another extra $50. So the total sales match commission you are gonna get is $100. Total commission is $332. But the company said that they will give you just for you bonus every time you're gonna have 4 people that's gonna avail the same gold package. So how much is the just for you bonus of gold package? It is $667. So that means your wholesale package commission, sales match commission, and just for you bonus, total commission you're gonna earn is $998 from the 4 gold packages that availed under you, which we help you explain since you're just starting the business and still trying to learn the business. And the good thing here is it's unlimited. So that means every time you're gonna have 4 people who's gonna avail gold package each, you will always get the $998 total commission. And it's no time frame. So the people is the company is not gonna give you time frame on when you will finish all 4. It depends on what effort you are gonna give. Let's say your first gold package, you got it today, and then the second is after a week, the third is after a month, and then the fourth is after 3 months. The company said every time you're gonna have 4, no matter when you finished it, they're gonna give you the $998 total commission. So that means you are only gonna invest one time. You invest one time only, but the income, potential income you are gonna get is lifetime income. So let's go to the next package, which is the platinum package. It's $2,600. You are gonna get 112 boxes of barley. So the platinum package, just for you bonus, let's say you avail the platinum package, and then the people you invite avail the same platinum package, and then we have like 4 people that avail the same package as you. So each of platinum package, you are gonna get $150 each. So the total commission you will get is $600. And then of course there's also pairing again. So the first 2 pairing is extra $133 sales match commission, and the second pairing is another $133. So that means your total sales match commission is $266. So total commission you will get is $866. But again, the company said they will give the just for you bonus every time you were gonna have 4 people who's gonna avail platinum package. And how much is the just for you bonus for platinum package? It's $1,666. So the total commission you will get is $2,532. So you invite 4 people avail platinum package, you will get $2,532. And then you still have the 112 boxes, which you can just use or you can sell for $25 each. So I'm gonna repeat: one-time investment, lifetime income. And this is again unlimited. So the next time you're gonna have 4 platinum packages again, you will get the $2,532. And again, it's no time frame. So whenever you are gonna finish the 4, you're gonna get the $2,532. So let's go to the Jade package, which is our VIP executive package. So the VIP executive package, Jade package, is $4,200. The company is gonna give you 190 boxes of barley plus 40 boxes free. So that's total 230 boxes. And then the just for you bonus works like you avail the Jade package, and then you introduced us to four people. We invite 4 of your friends. We help you with explaining the product and the compensation plan, and then they want to avail the package, Jade package, also because they also want to get the free box of 40 barley, free 40 boxes of barley. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. Each of the Jade package, you are gonna get a wholesale package commission of $333. So the total commission you are gonna get is $1,332. Again, we have the pairing. Okay, the first pair you will receive extra $166, and the second pair $166 extra. The total sales match commission is $332. So total wholesale package commission is $1,664. But the company said every time you were gonna invite people who will join the same Jade package, for Jade package, they will give you just for you bonus, which is $3,333. So total commission you will get is $4,997. How much did you invest? 4,200 only. So you already made money, and then you still have the 230 boxes of barley, which you can use or you can sell for $25 each. Again, this is unlimited. Every time you were gonna invite 4 people who will avail the same Jade package as you, the company is gonna give you $4,997 dollars total commission and bonuses. Again, no time frame, one-time investment, lifetime income. Because every time you're gonna get 4, you are gonna get the total commission. So what is the difference from Jade, Platinum, and Gold in terms of the Just For You bonus? So here in IM Worldwide, your commission depends on the package that you are gonna get. Of course, the higher the investment, the higher the income, the potential income. So here, you invited 4 people, they avail 4 Jade packages, you were gonna get $3,333. So of course you might invite also people who likes only platinum. So you have 4 platinum, you will earn $1,667. And then you invited 4 people, they just like gold package, you will get $667. So what if you only avail platinum package, and then you invited 4 people that really want to do the business, and then they get 4 Jade packages, you will only get $1,667. So you're not gonna get the 3,333. So that's the difference of the lower package to the higher package. You will only gonna get the platinum of 1,667 and the gold of 667. And this is the difference from the gold. When you have people who's gonna invest with the Jade package and you are only gold package, then you will not get the 3,333, you will only get the $667, which is a lot of the money is not gonna go to nowhere. And the same with platinum, you will only get $667 instead of the 1,667. So $1,000 are gonna be gone, and you're only gonna get the $667 when you get 4 gold packages. That's why a lot of people are investing on the Jade package, because when you're on a Jade package, you are gonna get all the income, the potential income from platinum and gold. Unlike when you are gold, you are only gonna get the income that's allotted to gold package only. So a lot of the commission are gonna go to waste. Yes. Yes, Mans? Okay. So here, Men's Ed, she got the gold package already 5 times. Okay. And then she got the Just For You bonus of Jade package 2 times. So that means 2 times 4 Jade packages. That's why she get the 600,000 pesos income bonus. So why do we have to start now instead of later? Because we have unlimited spillovers. Okay. So I am worldwide only is the only company who has one account policy. Okay, since this is multi-level marketing, of course we're gonna have the left and the right. Okay, so let's say this is me, and my spillover side is my left side. So this is how it works. Me, I invited two people, they join me, okay? And then I explained to you the business presentation, and then you decided you want to join after the first two. So you join. And then you are still trying to learn the business. So you don't have any invites yet. But me, I am talking to a lot of people. So I talked to another 4 people who joined after you. Okay. So that means all these 4 people, whatever their packages are, you're gonna have a spillover points on the left side, on yours, where you're at, your spillover side on the left side. Okay. So what if you didn't join right away? You join later. So those 4 people are gonna get points from you, and you're not gonna get points from them. So because every package has a certain points. So where are you? Okay, so the spillover points for Jade is 5,000 pesos. The platinum is 4,000 pesos, and the gold is 1,500 pesos. So let's say you join after the 2, you join first before the 4, and the next person after you joined got platinum package, and the spillover points is 4,000 pesos, and then the next is gold package 1,500, and then the last 2 is jade package, which is 5,000 points. So those points are you're gonna get them. Huh? You are gonna get the 4,000 points because you join before them. Okay, all these 4 people, the 4,000, 1,500, 5,000, and 5,000, they're gonna go to you on one side because that's gonna be the spillover points. You're gonna get from the people that's putting members, because we only have one left and one right. There's no other place we can put people gonna join our organization other than under you. So all the people that's gonna go under you, even if it's not your leader, you are gonna get spillover points. That's why we encourage people to join right away, especially if they really like to do the business with IM Worldwide, so they can start earning points already. So just for you, Jade. Okay, so Jade package, this is a repeat.
No, that's the
Investment.
Ah, okay.
family investment.
Oh, okay. So this is the family investment. Let's say you got the Jade package. Okay. So just in case you have family members that you want them to join the business also, you can avail all 4 packages. Okay, this is how it works. When you avail 4 packages, they're gonna go all under you. You are gonna invest $4,200 each. So the total investment is gonna be $16,800. But then you were gonna get 230 boxes of barley each, which means you're gonna get total of 920 boxes of barley that you could sold $25 each. So the total amount when you sell the 920 boxes is $23,000. And then the total and then also you're gonna get the just for you bonus because you got 4 jade packages of $3,333. So that means the total income you are gonna get is $26,333, less your total investment of $16,800. So which means you are still gonna earn $9,533, even if you if in case you wants to avail the family investment package, no matter what, you're still gonna earn. You're still gonna earn a lot. And you know what, when people know that you are selling the barley, they're not gonna ask you what are you selling, what is it for, because they know already, like what I said, it's already well marketed worldwide. So they're just gonna ask you how much do you sell it and how to become a member. So family investment is really good. You're gonna get the just for you bonus. You're gonna get a lot of boxes of barley, and then you're gonna rank up to Sapphire Elite Executive automatic. You're gonna hit a lot of ranks. And also, I Am Worldwide is offering travel incentive, like you can travel for free. There are like certain requirements you need to meet to be qualified for the incentive. They also offer car incentives. People are getting free cars here in I Am Worldwide almost every year. And then Mentor Edward just ranked up to Ruby Elite Executive, which is the next rank from Sapphire. And then they also became Car Achievers. And then they also became a travel incentive achiever, going to South Korea for 5 days free. Free everything. You're not gonna spend anything. And then these are all the luxury incentive achievers. So Mentor Naomi, she got her Rolex watch for free. It's only an incentive. And then Mentor Jean got the Louis Vuitton bag, and also this one. And then Mentor Edward got the Louis Vuitton shoes, which I really like. Yeah, that one. That one they got for free. Just imagine how much does it cost? It's more than $1,000. And then they got it for free. I really love it because it's color yellow. I am next gonna get that one. So it's really pretty. So that's how it works here. When you really do the business, you work hard, and then you're gonna hit all the incentives, these luxury incentives for free. You're not really gonna spend your own money to get the things that you like. Yeah, that one. So this is Mentor Edward's income right now. It's 1.6 million pesos. And then he started in December of 2021. And then yeah, this is another thing. When you become a Diamond Elite Executive, your picture is gonna be on a big billboard in EDSA in EDSA in the Philippines. So our mentor Naomi is the one on the red frame, and she's also on the billboard in EDSA in the Philippines. So it's amazing. Okay, so from the former president of Kenya, Uhuru Kenyatta, which is really true. If you really love your children, get a business, not a job, because when you die, your children cannot inherit your job, but they can definitely inherit your business. It's like even if you have the highest position in your company, if you die, then your children cannot inherit your high position in the company, not unless you own the business. So it's still the business. But when you own a business, your children could definitely inherit the business. And the I Am Worldwide opportunity that is being offered to you is gonna be your own business. When you go into your I Am portal, you're gonna have your own online account. And on your account portal, you're gonna see there you can put any of your family member to be your beneficiary in case something happens to you. So, and also the favorite verse of I Am Worldwide, Jeremiah 29:11, God said, "For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and the future." So that's what God wants to give us, a hope and a good future. And I think I am worldwide because of the very, very good compensation plan that they're offering, and the quality product that we have. We're really gonna get hope through our wellness and the best opportunity that they're offering to us. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much again. My name is Normaline Villarmanhao. I am an agent of hope and I am worldwide. Thank you so much